In this tutorial I'm going to go over adding sound or music and places to find those open source copyrighted music, and then also we'll export our movie. So if we go to the internet and we want to look up Creative Commons, there we go. You can even go Creative Commons Music, and then we've got free and legal Creative Commons music downloads, and then audio. We don't want the audio, we want the free and legal music. So it should be loading. So now we can start searching and finding music that works, and this is because theoretically you cannot use music from a CD, even if you've bought it. It's only to listen to, you cannot reuse it. Creative Commons enables you to watch or use music in a different way, or any published material that's being published under the Creative Commons. So definitely have a look at creativecommons.org and get your head around what that is. So we can go through here and find some music. So we've got lots of options. So we've even got sitemap Creative Commons, so let's have a look in there. And a whole lot of options. Music comes up. We can even search for a tag, popularity. There's a whole lot of different sorts. So let's see what we've got here. Ambient trance, and it tells you what sort of music it is. Let's see what happens if I put on ambient, what comes up. So there's a whole lot of options here. I'll just start at this one. I want sort of an ambient background type music, so click on that. And see what comes up. Let's try The New Day. See that? If we push play, a window pops up and it will load up. So here it goes, it's starting to play. Let's turn that down, it's quite loud. Turn that down. It's 6 minutes, so it's given us a lot to play with. So it's obviously French. And it sounds like that's sort of the music that I was looking for. You might need to search around, but you should be able to find something. I'll just stop there and hit that button. So that should be downloading it now. We'll just hit this link here. And then that started to download now. So we can see that downloading. And once that's downloaded, we'll bring it into the library. You may also want to look up sound effects rather than just having music. So if we go sound effects, look, even sound effects free, so we'll go there, free sound effects. There's a whole lot, so worth having a look at. See that, what do we got here? Because one may want to add different sounds to it. Free sound effects, there's a whole lot. So there's a list here. So wave or MP3 will work. Free sound effects, doors opening, closing, rain pouring. So there's a whole lot of other sound effects that you may want to add, and I encourage you to add. So well, that started playing, so it's downloaded. So if we we'll get rid of that, come back in here, file, import, Pelosi downloads, New Day, import. So that should have imported, hopefully. Now we've got to find it, and that's the interesting thing. Maybe he's on our time bar. There he is down the bottom. So if we go timing and I think he should be in here somewhere. No? Group. Oh yeah, because he's there, he is there. So if we push play. So that's come in. We might want to just move it around. So we can move that around. Move it down, see what happens. So you can start to see now we've got the music in a better place. So you can start to see we've got the music in a better place. If we double click. You may need to spend a bit more time figuring out how to get that in with a bit more control. And if we drag that down, no, see what happens. So now audio tracking, the new day, here it is, level, so we can control how he not quite so loud. So if we double click on that, no, file browser, come through. Anyway, well, now we need to export it. So if we go file, export, and what we want to do is put it on our desktop and then get the right folder. Motion tutorials, here we go. QuickTime Movie, it sounds good. Options, so QuickTime Movie compressor, we want to set that to H.264 there. Quality 100%, good. Stereo output, use current project settings, yep. Name, movie current project settings, okay. Okay. Include video and audio, yes. So save as Tudo1 movie. Export. So now that's going through and rendering all those views, and once that's complete we'll be able to have a look. So that's 40 seconds away. And you'll probably need to practice this and make sure that it works, and may need to adjust some of your settings to get it to work. And have a look in the help file for bringing in audio files. There may be a better way of doing it. So let's have a look in here while it's looking. Once that's done, we'll have a stop and we'll have a look. So now we've got our movie. So there, I'll just check documents, downloads. I've got too many downloads. So there you go. Now, definitely worth having a play around and exploring that further, and see if there's a better way of bringing in music. So have a look in the help file and have a look online. Okay.